got back from walking Captain. It's so cold. It is 53 degrees, but the wind is brutal. So I'm gonna make some hot chocolate. But I'm also gonna make some gifts to give as well. To make these hot chocolate gift jars, I measured 1/4 cup of hot chocolate and I put 4 scoops in, so it makes 4 servings. And then I weighed out 60 grams of marshmallows, which comes out to about it comes out to about 25 marshmallows per cup. So obviously the gift receiver can adjust the quantity of marshmallows, but in case you're wanting to replicate this exactly, I used those measurements. And then for the jar, 12-ounce jars, 400 milliliters. Decorate and add the label, you'll cut a string that wraps around twice around your jar. And I untwisted this twine. It's like a macrame rope for planters. And I split it apart so I could have the rope for 2 jars. And then after you get it split apart, you'll basically loop the end on one side of the paper and then come around to the other side and tie it into a bow. And you can also tie it around the lid or tape it on or get creative. If you don't have string like this, make it work and find something that you think is cute to present as a gift. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Vlogmas and can make some delicious hot chocolate jars for someone that you appreciate in your life. I'll see you in the next one. Racing downstairs to see
Oh, can I please, please have that bird? That Christmas joy I once had as a boy.
Last thing I did for this episode was create a story cube, and this is going to go in my January snail mail postcard subscription. So if you're not on that list, go ahead and sign up, because this will be in January's letter, and you'll fold up the box, tape it up, and it's great for little ones to toss the cube, and then they get to make their own story. So it's got different characters from my book, different basically nouns. They'll have to come up with the verbs, and it does have, I think, a setting of the kitchen, so they can get creative and come up with something that they think would be a fun story with this story cube. All the directions will be included, so if you want to get in on that, feel free to check out shellycreatsit.com and click on the postcard subscription.